So Elijah was playing with his little, it's actually my dish pan, and he was standing in it, and it broke. So we got smart and got the ducky tub out and have it filled with nice lukewarm water. And we stripped the diaper off because what's the sense of a diaper? And so now we're really a happy camper. Say hi, Elijah. Say hi, Grammy. Hi, Grammy. You having fun? Splish splash. Are you going fishing? Where's your fishing pole? There it is. Ah, you caught a fish. Look at that. You caught a fish. Yay! What's that? We hear an airplane. Don't see it. But we hear it. Wow, bye airplane.